Are you an Indian freelancer or a service provider or a salaried person who has been asked by their US clients or maybe Google or Facebook to provide Form W-8BEN? If that be the case, this video is right there for you. By the end of this video, you would know about what exactly is Form W-8BEN, why it is required, and how you can complete it. In case you're looking for any professional assistant or off-the-shelf template of Form W-8BEN, then that is also something we will cover as a part of this video. But first come first, what exactly is W-8BEN? W-8BEN is basically nothing but a form whereby your beneficial residential tax status is communicated to the US government. In the absence of a W-8BEN, the person who's making the payment to you from US will be withholding 30% tax rate. Whereas, if you provide them a Form W-8BEN, then if the tax rates are reduced in the tax treaty between India and US, that lower tax rate is something that will be applied. So instead of a 30% tax rate, the tax rate can actually be 15%, 10%, or in many cases, even 0%. Therefore, it's very, very important for you to understand how to complete Form W-8BEN, and in that case, how you can provide it to your US customer. If I look at it, there are three parts to the Form W-8BEN. The first part deals with personal information, fairly simple to fill in. Part 3 deals with certification, again not a too big an issue, but Part B, dealing with claiming of tax treaty benefit, is the key to complete Form W-8BEN. Why? Because if you are entitled to the benefit of a tax treaty and you fill this form completely, instead of 30% deduction, you can get the entire payment from US or maybe 85% of the payment from the US. Claiming of a tax treaty provision is something which is a tricky part. It needs an analysis of the tax treaty between India and US to arriving at the right tax rate. But if that is something that basically comprehends you or makes you faithful, we are here to help. You can take our services where we provide you off-the-shelf completed form in respect of various services. You can take our services to review the forms that you have prepared, and if you want a one-on-one consultation to see whether or not the forms have been filled correctly in your case, we can do that as well. To connect with us, you can click on the link given in the description to this video and let one of our team members contact you and help you fill Form W-8BEN correctly.